Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with a topic on percentage. Okay, it's a very basic class for all the age groups. In this, I am going to explain you the basic concept of percentage with some tricks. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. It's very basic problems I have shown here for all the age groups. So, firstly, let us define what is a percentage. It is nothing but a number or a ratio that can be expressed as a fraction of 100. Okay. Here we will split this percent into two parts, per plus cent. Per means what here? It's nothing but per, cent is nothing but 100. Okay, anything per 100 is percent. Okay, and this percentage is represented by this symbol. Okay, it's very easy, friends. The people who don't know percentage, and if you're seeing this video also, you can learn at least the basic concept. Okay, and the people who knows can learn the tricks on this. So let me give some example on this percentages. So, firstly, if a student gets a 30% out of 100%, then how we are going to write 30 out of 100? If a person gets 50%, how we are going to write this one? 50% out of 100. This is the way we calculate the percent. 30% is nothing but 30 divided by 100. 50%, 50 divided by 100. Okay, if you're getting 50%, then it's 50 by 100. Okay, friends, I hope you're clear with this percentage concept. Then let us solve some problems. Okay, so whenever you get this is the type 1 problem, and whenever you get this type of problems in which there is both the number ends with a 0. See, here also we are having 30% of 50. Whenever we have both the number ending with a 0, so this trick we can use. So what normally how we do, first I will show. We will do like this, 30% of 50. How we are going to do? See, we will do like, we will take 30 divided by 100. Normally we do like this, 30 by 100, and this off means it's nothing but into, then this 50, 30% of 50 we will write like this. Now do the simplification. 0 and 0 will get cancelled. This 0 and this 0 will cancel. 3 5s is nothing but 15. This is how we do normally. But one trick I am going to give, if you find like this, you just remember. Okay, whenever both the number ends with a 0, what you should do, just the skip these two zeros and just multiply the two numbers. That is 3 5s are 15. Okay, see, check the answer here and here, both the answers are same. This will take some time. This one, if you remember the trick, you can do it. Okay, both the number ending with 0, if you get like this type of problems, like this 30% of 50, 60% of 20, like this if you get, then what you have to do, just cancel the zeros and then just multiply the two numbers, that is 3 5s are 15. Okay, now let us take one more example. 80% of 110. Here also, then both the numbers are ending with 0. What you're going to do is just cancel these zeros and then just multiply these two numbers. That is 8 into 11 is nothing but 88. So 80% of 110 will be 88. This is a type 1 problem. Okay, this is very easy. Now let us move on to the type 2 problems. Now here either of the number ends with 0. Either this part will end with 0 or either this part. Either of the number will end with 0. In such a case, how we are going to do is, normally also we can do, that is 25% of 100, 21 by 100 into 20. Okay, that one we have seen also. Now I'll show you this trick. Whenever you have either of the number ending with 0, what you're going to do, this 2 you write as it is. Okay, off is nothing but into, and then you write this 21. Okay, and this 0 you can cancel and the put point here. Okay, just now multiply it. Normal 2 ones are is 2, 2 twos are is 4. After one number there is a point. Here also you have to add a point after one number. Understood, friends, about this trick? Whenever you find either of the number ends with 0, what you have to do is you have to write this 2 as it is, this cancel this 0 and put point here. That is 2.1 into 2. Okay. Now let us take one more example. So what I'm going to do, I will write this 13 as it is into this 4. I'm going to write as there is only one 0. I'm going to put the point here. Now multiply. 4 threes are is 12. 1 carry here. 4 ones are 4 plus 1 5. Here there is a point after one number. That is, here also I am going to add after one number. Your answer is 5.2. Isn't it easy, friends? Just remember the tricks for the different types of sums. Now again, 42 I'll write as it is into this 5 I'm going to write as it is, and the 0, cancel the 0 and just put one point here. Okay. Now multiply. 5 twos are is 10. Okay. 5 fours are 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. And now see after how many numbers the point is there? After one number there is a point. So after one number add a point. Understood, friends? Okay. It's very easy. Now we have one more sum, that is type 3 sums. Now let us move on to the type 3. Okay. See here none of the number ends with 0. Here there is 75% of 95. Here also there is no 0 and here also there is no 0. So we are going to use the splitting method here. Okay, in type 3 we use a splitting method. Okay, that is we can write this 75 as 70 plus 5. Okay, percent as it is I will write of 95. Okay, now again multiply 70% of 95, 70% of 95 plus 5% of 95. Okay, 70%. Here again there is a type 2 problem. Okay, 70% of 95. If one either of the number is 0, what I told you, write 7 as it is into this 95, write as it is and cancel this 0 and put one point after one number, 9.5 plus here 5% of 95. Here also there is one trick to remember. See, you remember this 1% of 95 is how much? 1% of 95 into 95. 1% of 95 is how much? Okay, when you do the simplification it will be 0.95, right? 1% of 95 is how much? 0.95. In the same way 5% of 95 is nothing but 5 into 0.95. Okay, 1% of 95 will be 0.95 and 5% of 95 will be 5 into 0.95. Just multiply this number. Okay, 7 into 9.5, it will be 66.5. Now again multiply this 5 into 0.95. 5 5s is 25. 5 here again 2 carry. 5 9s are 40. Okay, 5 9s are 45. Sorry, 45 plus 2 is nothing but 47. Then where is a point? After two numbers there is a point. 1, 2. I'll put the point here. 66.5 plus 4.75. When you do the addition of these two terms, you will get the answer as 71.25. Okay. Understood, friends? This is a type 3. In this, there is none of the numbers will be 0. You have to use a splitting method and you can use the type 2 trick here, that is 70% of 95. And here you can do this sum in your mind. Okay, 1% of 95, if you do, you'll get easily 5% of 95. Okay friends, and now next one is is see, here 75% of 95 is very similar to 95% of 75. Either you can do in this way, and also you can do in this way. I'll show you this also. Okay, now let us split this 95 as 100 minus 5. Okay, percent 75. Okay, now 100% of 75 minus 5% of 75. Okay, 100% of 75 is nothing but 75 itself. Okay, minus 5% of 75 is nothing but 0.5% of 75. 5 into, see, 1% of 75 is 0.75. Then 5% of 75 is 5 into 0.75. Okay, now multiply 75 minus, multiply this to 5 into 0.75 will be 3.75. Now do the subtraction and you will get the answer as 71.25. Either you can do in this way or in this way, both are correct. Okay friends, now let us take one more example. This is the last example of today's session. Okay, so 81% of 122. Then how we are going to write? 80 plus 1, okay, percent of 122. Then 80% of 122 plus 1% of 122. Okay, here again use type 2 problem, that is 8 into, write 122, cancel this 0 and put the point here, plus 1% of 122 is nothing but 1.22. Okay, then 8 into 12.2 you multiply, your answer will be 97.6 plus here 1.22 as it is. Now add these two terms. 97.6 plus 1.22 will nothing. I'll add and show you. 97.6 plus 1.22. If there is no number here, I can put 0. 0 plus 2 is nothing but 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. Add the point. 7 plus 1 is also 8. 9 as it is. Your answer will be 98.82. Understood friends? These are the three type problems. Okay, and whoever is new to my channel, please subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.